Hey babies, so as you can see, I am back with another video. I partnered with WESTKISS hair. I worked with them before, but this is going to be for their body wave hair. I have a length 22, 22, 20, 20, and a frontal. And so as you guys can see, I'm going to be doing a very high ponytail, very sleek, something to kind of just get up, not even really get up and go, because this hairstyle is only going to last for like 2 days. Anyway, I am just kind of parting off my hair. As you guys can see, you don't have to do this on freshly washed hair. This is like some really old, probably about a week and a half old straight hair. Taking some of my beeswax. Y'all, I never use beeswax, but I've been seeing so many videos on just like people like doing those really sleek ponytails using the beeswax, so I wanted to try it. By the end of the video, well, basically just based off of this experience, I'll never use beeswax again. Literally, they're not joking when they say wax. It is so freaking greasy. Never again. Anyway, so I am just using this to pretty much sleek up my hair. I did not texturize or perm my edges lately, y'all. So it's been about 3 weeks strong. That's actually really good for me because I usually do it like all the time. So yeah. Anyway, just putting this into a ponytail. As you guys know, I don't use the regular scrunchies. I use the headband and I just kind of fold it over like 4 or 5 times because it gets really, really tight and it holds my hair in place without snatching it out when it's time to pull out the ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and just braid my hair down. I'm not going to try to do a little knot or like a little bun because my hair is too thick and that will peek right through that ponytail. So I'm just braiding it in a very loose and ugly way. And I'm taking a rubber band just to secure the freaking ends, if I can talk. And as you guys can see, I'm taking the very end of the track. I've already straightened out the body wave hair if you guys haven't noticed. Didn't do a very good job, but yeah, you'll get the gist. And I'm going to secure that using a open pin. So it's like a hairpin, not a bobby pin, definitely a hairpin, so it's already open, very loose, and it won't like hurt you when you get closer to your scalp. So I'm just going to start by wrapping the track, which is double, guys. If you guys are wondering, it's double. That way it's as thick as possible and I don't have to keep wrapping around a million times. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to slowly go up my braid and just kind of like do my best to hide that like pin, which I did pretty good. So keep going up, up, up. Now I've seen tutorials where people cover their ponytail with like that black like paper and then they glue it on there. Well, sorry guys, my phone just went off. But I'm looking for a really like, I guess more so a protective style type of method of doing this. So I didn't want to do anything involving the glue because I know some of you guys are scared of that. So no worries, you guys will be okay. And if you guys are like little bald head girls like me, okay, I probably shouldn't say that, but if you don't have much hair, you can totally just add in some braiding hair to your actual braid so that you have something to attach the actual track to. So yeah, I didn't do that because I didn't really care about the ponytail looking extra long or anything. So 22 inches probably got stretched to about a 24 just based off of the fact that I'm wrapping this around my braided ponytail. So it's okay. If you're bald head, small head like me, it's a solution out there for everybody. So as you can see, the ponytail is really, really sleek already. When I say sleek, it's just that it's not super full to the point that it's like, well, dude, you have way too much hair in your head. So I'm just securing that last little track or the end of the track with a pin, and then I'm just brushing through it. As you guys can see, like I said, I did not do a very good job of straightening out the body wave hair, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a little patch of the hair with some hair sheen. It's not hair sheen. What is this? Hairspray, just to kind of give it a little bit of hold, and I am just going around the base of the ponytail to kind of not really cover up anything because nothing was really showing, but it's just for the aesthetic, you know, a little something here or there. And I'm going to secure that with a pin as well. I don't know why I couldn't get that out, but yeah, so I'm sorry I kind of cut off the top for you girls that really needed to see a better detailed version of that, but as you can see, this is what the ponytail looks like. I probably should have just told them to send me like some straight hair so I didn't even have to go through the process of, you know, straightening that out or whatever. And as you can see, the light keeps changing, so that was kind of annoying, but yeah, I'm just filming with regular daylight. And I did end up taking some Y'all, who is texting me? I did end up taking some Eco Styler Gel. I believe it's the argan oil one. And just kind of going through my baby hairs, as you can see. Now, just to jazz this up, I'm taking some twine. I don't even know if it's called twine. It's just that really stretchy band that goes around your bundles. Y'all, I have so much of this because I get so many freaking bundles. So, I've been collecting it over time for special moments like this. And I just wrapped it back and forth. Something similar, you probably could find it in like a Walmart or the fabric store or something like that. Regular like coil. Not really sure. But yeah, I just got it from my bundles. So a really quick ponytail for you girls, and definitely stay tuned for the rest of this video. I have a really nice surprise for you guys. Hey babies, so I hope you guys enjoyed the really quick tutorial on this really sleek bun or ponytail situation, and it's really long. So this is really cute, different. It's extremely freaking tight with all the freaking pins that I've put into it, but I think this is cute. I'm actually going to like a cute little I guess it's like an evening type of event, and so this is going to be cute and really slick, and of course the outfit will be popping. Make sure to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram if you guys are not already. That way you can kind of see what I do outside of YouTube, y'all. Alright babes, so I have some really exciting news. I am actually going to be doing a giveaway with this company. If you guys have not seen before, I did do like a full tutorial on their really curly hair. This is their body wave, y'all. This hair feels freaking amazing. It's true to length. I can just go on and on about like so many good things about it, but anyway, you will get a chance to actually win some hair. So we'll be giving away 3 prizes, 3 winners. Of course, the only rules are you're going to need to make sure that you are following me and the company on Instagram and Facebook, and following us on YouTube as well. So make sure that you are subscribed to their YouTube channel, follow them on Instagram and also Facebook if you have those things. And for me, I don't use my Facebook, so anyway, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. To actually enter into the giveaway, you're going to want to make sure that you comment below with your Facebook or Instagram profile name. That way we can find you. The winners will be selected at random. So if you guys are wondering what you're going to win, the first giveaway winner, or the first place winner, is going to actually get a chance to win a 14, 16, 18, and 12-inch closure. You get to pick any texture of your choice, of course. And then the second giveaway winner is same thing, any texture of your choice, except you only get to pick the lace frontal or a closure. So of course that'll give you a chance to check out some of the other hair that they have on the site. And then the third place winner will actually win $30 off in coupons toward their next purchase. So the giveaway will only last for about 5 days, so it will be a really quick giveaway from the date that this video is posted. I'll make sure to put all the details on my Instagram page as well. Make sure that you guys are following me there. And yeah, make sure you comment. There's no limit on how many comments you can put below, so just make sure that you guys are doing it constantly for the next 5 days. And also this giveaway is actually open to everybody everywhere. It doesn't matter what country you're in. Basically this company is saying that they are willing to pay the shipping fee just for you, so that's love in itself. So this is open to everybody. You don't have to be 18 years or older or anything like that. Yeah, so enter guys, good luck to everybody, and make sure if you have not already, be sure to check out the video with the WESTKISS hair so you can see what that curly texture looks like. And like I said, the body wave gets really straight, which should happen anyway. But yeah, so make sure you check out that video. I'll leave that down in the description box below, or somewhere towards the end of this video, or I'll pop it up somewhere, who knows. Anyway, leave me the comments or questions if you do have any for me. Make sure you send them over to me so I can kind of get that answer pretty quickly. And other than that guys, I love you guys. I hope you love this ponytail because I'm feeling it, and I have a big head, so it's kind of hard to get it situated, but baby yeah, we lit. So that's pretty much it. That's all that I have for you guys. I love you so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next mother flipping video.